morning, guys. Today I'm gonna do something very spontaneous.
So last night my mom texted me and was like, hey, here's our flight information, just wanting you to know that we're headed to Florida for the week for vacation. She was like, don't you have the next 4 days off? And I was like, matter of fact I do. So I just booked a spontaneous trip to Florida to go meet my family for about 3 days of vacation. I really don't have much time because I have to head to the airport, so let's get packed.
Hey Google, navigate me to Reagan Airport. It's gonna be all her from here. I'm just gonna let her cut in. She's gonna be recording on her iPhone. So yeah, we'll see how our time goes in Florida.
Okay guys, so I just went through security. I believe I am gate 32, which is down at the end. So I'm gonna head down and catch my flight. I've landed in Miami. So it's been a very long and exhausting day because of traveling, but I now get to wait for my parents to roll up and pick me up here in Miami. So I have like 2 hours to hang out and wait. So my mom just texted me and said they're 4 minutes out. And I think this is them. Everybody say hi. We made it to Florida. Alright guys, I made it to Key Largo, Florida. It is after 1 a.m. in the morning, but I made it safely. And I will show you guys more of where I'm at in the morning. Good night. There's a place called Robbie's here where you can feed tarpon, and it's actually quite fun and can be a little scary because they're literally massive fish. And so we might go try and check that out. That should be a good time. Alright guys, so we're here, so we got our buckets of fish, and this is too fun. It's a little scary, these fish are huge, but it's so much fun. And the huge, what is it, pelicans? These pelicans are just attacking everybody, because obviously they want some fish too. We've already seen a shark right here at the dock. It's pretty cool. If you're ever in the Key Largo area, come to Robbie's. Alright guys, so so they have a ton of dollar bills everywhere. I don't know the purpose really, but we're gonna make our mark here at Robbie. So we got our staple gun, our dollar bill. Where should we go?
I don't know. Yeah, I think you should put it like right here.
I don't want to hide someone else. No, right here.
Yeah, right there.
I'm gonna go right here.
Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday morning. It's 6 a.m. Sunrise is at 6:34. I'm awake. I'm gonna go meet my mom for some coffee out on the pier to try and catch the sunrise. Let's do it.
Is beautiful. We're now walking back to go get some breakfast and get dressed and ready for the day. We're gonna try and go kayaking through the mangroves. That I think is gonna just be a lot of fun. Alright guys, we are back at Robbie's. We are kayaking the mangroves today. Should be a good day. It is nice and hot. Hoping to see a bunch of wildlife. But Robbie's is so cool. I know I've said it once, twice, 3 times. It's not gonna hurt to say it again. Come check out Robbie's if you're in the Key Largo area. Alright guys, we made it to the mangroves. We are kayaking. It is beautiful. Is this not insane? I think I've always heard about kayaking through here. I just never think that you can be there and go and do it. And so it's just really cool to be here. But it's beautiful and it's a gorgeous day. So we're just enjoying our time through the mangroves. Alright guys, so we just got back from Robbie's. Me and my mama are gonna go cruise to the Keys and lay out at the beach while everyone else goes and gets seafood. I was like, food, we're at the beach. We're just gonna bring some snacks and hit the beach. Before I have to leave, but it has been a great time here in Florida, but I'm leaving to head back to Virginia today. my flight landed just in time because there is a huge storm, as you can see in the background. I may have to just stay here in my car and wait out the storm because I don't think I'm going to be able to drive in this. Alright guys, I have made it home, back to the bus. Archie! Hi, Robbie! Hi! Hi! Oh! Archie! Oh, hello!
Oh.
I have to get this
Oh, okay. My turn. Well, thank you, Archie.
And then, so let's get packed. And then I'm packed. You know what I mean? Let's get to packing. But I really don't have much time, so I gotta get packing because I have to be at the airport. I'm not good at this.
Either way, keep that.